welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're missing out on everything you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. So, we're still into COVID, and we need to figure out what are some of the best ways to market our business and if we're doing green cleaning at the same time. So we're dealing with COVID, and we want to be certified as a green clean using certain chemicals for green cleaning. Well, on the EPA, which is the Environmental Protection Agency list, it's called List N. There's only one green seal certified one, and it's called Forces of, let me make sure I have this correct, Forces of Nature Activator Capsule. This is the only one that is approved if you're looking at doing green cleaning and COVID cleaning at the same time. You want to make sure that they balance each other. Then there's one on the EPA approved list for green seal certification. It's actually certified. And there's only one on the list of N. Now, the list of N is EPA's list of chemicals that are approved by the EPA when it comes to disinfecting and killing COVID. So first, you want to make sure you have all that set. If you're not looking at doing green clean, you just want to make sure you have that set first and make sure that it reflects in your marketing information. The second thing you want to make sure is that if you are interested in doing green cleaning, you want to use something that is green seal certified. And there's only one on the list, and that's Forces of Nature Activator Capsule. Now, it actually takes 10 minutes dwell time. And what did we say dwell time was? That's the amount of time that it actually hits the surface of whatever it is you're looking to clean. You actually have to wait that amount of time before you wipe the surface. So 10 minutes is the time frame for this. Make sure, I'm all about the automation, the marketing, and the making sure that you get what you need to bring people into your business to attract the customers you want. That is the key. Not just anyone is your customer. All money is not good money. Remember that. You want to build your business where you can't wait to wake up in the morning and actually service the customers that you choose. So if you're looking at going after the green cleaning and the COVID at the same time, of course, you want to make sure you have the EPA. It's a list. It's called List N. Go to the EPA's website, and they'll give you all that information, or CDC's website as well. Centers for Disease Control, that's CDC. Go to their website. They give you all the information on the list. List N is for EPA approved COVID cleaning chemicals. And if you're doing green cleaning and you want to have the certification when it comes to what is used and what's recommended on that list, that is called Green Seal Certified. There's only one on the list, and that is Forces of Nature Activator Capsule. 10-minute dwell time. Make sure that you know that. Continue to market. Bring in the customers you're looking for. I'm all about the attraction, customer acquisition, and retention. Everything we do falls under that. I'm also a big proponent of automation. Love automation. Makes life and everything so much better. And that is what allows you to get to what? 6 figures and beyond. So if you'd like to know more about all of this, how do you automate your system? What do you need to do? How do you attract 10 times more cleaning customers? Then make sure you click to register for my 10 times more cleaning customers masterclass. You'll learn all the things on attraction and how to retarget and email sequencing, all that and more. We get into some serious, no fluff. We get into the serious deal. I love to give you something to make it worth your time actually registering and coming to the masterclass. So bring and take out a pen and paper and get ready to take notes so you can learn and implement as soon as you get off of the masterclass. It's free. Love the interaction, love the energy. So make sure you register for 10 times more cleaning customers in 30 days. Okay. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.